Okay, so I do have better lighting in here. My husband got me a new light. And it's bright. When he showed it to me, I was like, whoa. Anyhow, our project today is we're going to clean this laundry room. I think it's been a year since I've cleaned it. I'm not quite sure, but I guess we'll find out after I get done cleaning it. So come on along. Okay, so this tool, I believe I just got it at Walmart, but it is to be used to help clean out the lint that's down in your dryer. Like even if you had a dryer lint catcher on the top, you could still use this. Mine happens to be right here. So you just stick it in. And hope you catch stuff. Look at that. All of this on top of that washcloth came from the dryer. That could be a possible fire hazard. That's why I do this. All of these empty containers are what I put my homemade laundry soap in. And I will have a video in the future here showing me how I make that. So I'm taking this apart to clean in it. This was right at the very top. It's been a couple years since I've been in here to do this stuff. Okay, so it is done, even though you can't see much of a difference. I took photos earlier, or video, of all the really thick dust from the dryer, and we keep those. They still work. We have them as backup in case the newer one down inside the sump pump breaks down, because if you've ever had a flood in your basement, you need a backup, because that's usually when everyone has flooding in their basements in regards to large rains and all that. And it's really hard to get a sump pump. So if they still work, we keep them just as backup so we can figure out what's going on with the newer one, or until we can get a newer one. But they still work. They look horrible, but they still work. Everything's wiped down, cleaned. You see me clean the inside of that. I cleaned the inside of that the best that I could. Right now, I scrubbed the inside of the washer really good. I also clean my washer on my cleaning cycle with CLR. And I do that probably once a month. And everything's all swept. I even rinsed out the dustpan and the broom, and I'm just letting them drip in there to dry. It's too cold out still we don't have our hose hooked up to do it outside, and that's just residue from when we had an old water softener in here. But everything's all cleaned up. The shelves are all cleaned. I didn't have to throw anything away. Just clean it, and that's it. So I want to thank you today while I did this big cleaning. I figured out I haven't done it in 2 years. That's why there were such big chunks coming out of that dryer. I have no idea why I didn't do it last year, but it's done now. I usually do it every year, but you've seen the chunks that I pulled out. They don't always go up the unit, or the unit gets clogged, or if you don't want to have a fire in your house, not that it's a high percentage, but it's best to just do it. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And there's more videos to come. And you make it a great day.